Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Yesterday I stopped by Walmart and I took a shop with me video for you. I took a video of their new spring decorations and oh my, they have the cutest things. Look at those little boots. Also, I took a video of their new peach decor too. And then at the end, I have my Walmart haul for you. So I hope you enjoy it. Next, I'm sharing with you my Walmart haul. So I picked up this cute little plush Peep and the candy for only $5.68, and it also comes in blue and pink. And then this Peeps pancake maker with the batter and the little skillet was only $5, and I thought that was so cute, and I think these will sell out quickly, so that's why I'm showing you these now. Next, I picked up this cute hat decoration for only $4.68, and it also came in blue and pink. I thought these Mr. Bubble foam soaps, this twin pack, would be a good item. That's something different instead of candy to put in the Easter basket, and the foaming soap was $4.68. The little can of Pringles was only $1, and that adorable LED light was $3.98. And here's my favorite find from Walmart in the spring section, this galvanized truck that was only $10.98. And so here's some more pictures of all their spring decorations. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite item is from this shopping video.